In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a subdomain on Namecheap. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to save everything properly so your new subdomain is ready to use. Let's start from your Namecheap dashboard. After you log into your account, you'll land on the main dashboard page. From here, look for the section labeled Domain List. This is where all the domains you've purchased or managed through Namecheap are displayed. Take a moment to confirm you're working with the right account, especially if you manage multiple domains or share access with a team. Once you see your domain list, find the domain you want to add a subdomain to. On the right side of that domains row, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the domain management page where you can control things like name servers, redirects, and most importantly for this tutorial, DNS settings. At the top of the domain management page, you'll see several tabs. Look for the one labeled Advanced DNS and select it. This is where Namecheap lets you set up and edit individual DNS records, which is exactly what we need to create a subdomain. After the Advanced DNS tab loads, scroll down until you find the section where your current DNS records are listed. This list might already contain A records, CNAME records, and possibly others, depending on how your domain is currently set up. Don't worry if it looks a bit busy, we're just going to add one new record. Look for a button that says Add New Record and click it. When you do, a new blank row will appear, along with a drop-down menu where you can choose the type of DNS record to create. From that drop-down, select CNAME. A CNAME record is commonly used for subdomains because it lets you point your subdomain to another domain or host name rather than directly to an IP address. Once you've chosen CNAME, you'll see a few fields you need to fill out. The exact labels can vary slightly, but typically you'll see something like host and value or target. In the host field, you'll enter the subdomain you want to create. For example, if you want blog.yourdomain.com, you would simply type blog as the host. You don't need to type the full domain name here. Namecheap automatically attaches it to the domain you're managing. In the value or target field, enter the destination you want this subdomain to point to. This might be another domain like yourdomain.com or a specific service or platform address provided by your hosting company or application. Double check this value because if it's not correct, the subdomain won't work as expected. You may also see a time to live or TTL field. If you're not sure what to put there, it's usually safe to leave it at the default value that Namecheap suggests. After you've entered all the required information, look for the save icon or save button on that record row and click it. Make sure the new CNAME record is saved and visible in the list of DNS records. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. It's normal for your new subdomain to take anywhere from a few minutes up to a couple of hours before it works everywhere. And that's it. You've added a subdomain on Namecheap using a CNAME record, starting from your dashboard, opening the advanced DNS settings, adding a new record, filling in the fields, and saving your changes.